Great, we're going to try another elapsed time word problem. This one is a little bit harder. It says Juan went to the bus stop at 7:35. His bus arrived at 7:52. How long did Juan wait for the bus to arrive? Let's figure out what it is we see in this word problem. Remember, the S stands for start, and E for elapsed time, and then the last E for the end time. I'm going to go look at my word problem and see what I can figure out. Juan went to the bus stop at 7:35. His bus arrived at 7:52. How long did Juan wait for the bus to arrive? So we're trying to figure out how long he had to wait. So that is the time in between. So we know we're going to be looking for the elapsed time. Now we just have to figure out the start time and the end time. So he went to the bus stop at 7:35. So that's what time he began waiting, because he got to the bus stop at 7:35 and began waiting for the bus. His bus arrived at 7:52. So if his bus arrived, that's what time he stopped waiting for the bus. So the end time was 7:52. So I have to look at my clock and figure out what 7:35 looks like, first of all. And I see the hour hand is pointing at the 7, and then we have to figure out where 35 is. I start at the top and I count by 5s going around my clock. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. That is where I start waiting for the bus, or Juan started waiting for the bus. And then he stops waiting for the bus at 7:52. That's why it's a little bit trickier. So we're going to put the stop there, or the start there. And he goes till 7:52. So 35, 40, 45, 50. And then I have to count by 1s. 51, 52. So that's how much time has passed. You notice the little red mark in there, that's because the hour has moved just a little bit. So let's see how much time that is. We can start with the 5-minute markers. So I'm just going to move that around here to 5, 10, 15. Now if I put on another 5, that's going to go way over my minutes where it stops. So I'm just going to add 1 at a time until I get there. So that will be 5, 10, 15, 16, 17 minutes. So my elapsed time, or Juan's elapsed time that he had to wait, was 17 minutes. Remember that you can start with your end time if you're trying to find the elapsed time. You start with the end, 7:52, and you take away 7:35. because that was the start time. So 2 minus 5. Ooh, more on the floor? Go next door. So I'm going to take away from the 5, and that's 4. So 12 minus 5. You can always count up if you can't remember what 12 minus 5 is. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. So it is 17 minutes. How long did Juan wait for the bus to arrive? He waited for 17 minutes.